Eso no es nada.
Hell yeah, we at the gas station. Vlogmas number 18. Get we? Snicker? What up? Bro, we got too faded last night, bro. We got too faded. Hey, we won't catch in a bit though. Hold on, when I get out. Just got out the little store, little corner store. We in the Atlanta Highway. That boy Edgar. That boy pumping gas. Hey, I don't know if this one's the right one, way.
What you get?
I got you Snickers.
How much?
Not straight, way. Hey, yo, we just made it to the mall, Georgia again. With the guys, we always out here, bro. We walking, little trip, ain't too major. Little confit. We about to go eat, do a little shopping, Christmas shopping. Bro, we got too faded yesterday, bro. Too faded. Right? Never again, brother. Bro, we didn't even get a record, bro, because we were too fucking fat, bro. I don't know. Nigga, bro, I was fucking asleep, bro. Bro, hasta me caí abajo, güey. Oh, hey, what up?
Hey, I can't even drive home.
Bro, we had to get a driver, bro. I was sleeping in somebody's truck, bro. I don't know, güey. Bro, then... Alright, we gonna catch in a bit. Hold up. Hey, about to go to Sneaker City, right? We about to go.
Sneaker City.
Yeah, right there. We about to get some. Nah, I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna call. We're just trying to see what's up. Alright, we gonna catch you inside. That boy Weedy. Brian. That boy Brian. We're about to go to Abs right now. On the road to ATL, bro.
En la pussy walk.
Hey, what you said?
Y que venga Tito Torbellino y que cante mi canción.
Yeah, we at the A now. The boy Weedy.
Damn, I think we made it.
Brian, say what's up.
Right?
Wait, what? We're close to Abs now. We had Chick-fil-A. You're not that. Chick-fil-A, about to eat. We have a neck. We're about to hit Abs, right? We're about to hit Abs. Do some shopping, barber shopping. Just got my phone. I know people gonna hate me for this, but I don't give a fuck. Hell yeah, we in the A.
No way.
Hell yeah. Is your first time being Chick-fil-A?
Está chingón, güey.
Hell yeah, we already know. Where we at? Abs.
Para que esté chingón, güey.
Official. See way. She just got to Abs. We about to do some slight shopping. To prepare that vest, right? First time for everything. 2024. Little shop, still shop. I already bought a clipper though, but still I don't know. I'm still doing some little shopping. Guys said, sheesh. Damn, we all did some damage today. Mira todos. Damn. Hell yeah. You gonna catch her in the video? That 5-0. First, bro, this is our first truck meet, right?
Yeah.
At the Ville. The Ville, sheesh. Bro, get yours. It's our first truck meet. Our first truck meet. Wait, the game right here. Look. No, yeah, like I'm saying with our car truck.
Oh, I know.
With that nigga Jill. Man, I wouldn't abandon. I didn't record shit, bro. But hey, that shit was low key. Like it was cool. The food was good, but the service, I don't know. Man. Look at this 5-0. White cash. Oh, that shit is clean. Boy, rich. Tell that nigga, I'm gonna pull up. That boy Ricardo. Right now. You get a little chubby, man? Yeah, man. You need to go? How you doing? You get a little chubby, man? Hey, man. Well, right now, nigga. Wow, bro. He's tempted, look. Yeah, fuck it. It's long.
Nah, cause this shit's live.
Oh, some vlog. Oh, shit. Say what's up, bro.
Fuck it.
Bro, we waiting, bro. You gonna do something? Yeah, third spot. We had the third spot. Second one was fucked up, bro. 2-pack, bro. It was 2-pack. Second spot. But where the people at, though?
Hey, Woody.
Look this brand, bro. Shit fire. The bullet.
Hey, that shit fire.
Man, that shit is fire. Damn, look at this shit. Little 5-0. Jeez. My nigga Anthony.
Oh, un Lambo.
Uno de uno.
Ahí está.
Dale un poquito más rápido, güey. Sí, güey, mira, así, así. Sí, de Lambo.
Ese güey va aquí, ahí va como a 20, güey.
What was that? Lamb talk, that lamb talk. Sí. Bájale. Jeez, my boy, get him. Straight pipe. Chill, dog. Damn. Chill, Edgar. Oh, shit. Damn. We forgot to take the before, though. Sheesh.